Come over here, Ted.
Oh no, he knows. If I wag my tail, do you think he'll forgive me?
I'm not moving until you come.
Okay, no plan. I walk really slow, maybe he'll forget.
Let's look to see what you did.
I really prefer not to. Move slow. Move slow. Move slow.
Come on. You're taking too long because you know what you did. Come over here.
I'm not gonna move.
Come on.
Just wait it out.
Come over here. Ted. Come over here. You can't stand there forever.
Let me just go over here and lay down and hope he forgets.
Ted. Ted. Come over here. No. Come here. You come over here.
Oh no! Oh no!
Let's go look to see what you did. Come on.
I'm losing traction. The force is too strong. Okay, get low. Spread legs. Create more drag. Ugh, maybe my head will work as a brake. Ouch! I think I got a splinter in my paw.
Why are you not coming over?
You know why I'm not coming over, you human.
Did you do that? Did you tear the beef jerky open?
I'm not the one who left that yummy beef jerky on that counter.
What do you have to say for yourself?
What do you expect? I'm part wolf, you know. You leave out meat, you're playing with fire. If you don't like it, get a cat.
All right, say goodbye, Ted.